Welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Guys, today I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Surface Book laptop is no charge. Is before is down, now is working perfectly and charged perfectly. So guys, watch my video and check how I fix this. So you have to open backside and release all the cable. Check there, and first you have to clean the uh, spray this port, also clean here, also remove this cover, also clean this all the port here inside, and then you can check how to fix. After that, all if not working, you have to open the site and reconnect all the cable and clean, and then you can see it's working and charging. So before, this laptop is not working, now working perfectly, everything good, and also the charging also working good, you can see here. So watch my video and check how I fix. So guys, first you have to clean this all the connector here. You can see maybe charger sometime here is disconnect, so you have to clean with spray, any cleaner spray you can use, and then also you can use the rubber pencil and clean this port. Okay, you can see now is clean, and check your laptop is working. If do not work, also you clean this side. Okay, and now I have to clean here, sometime maybe also problem. If you do not drop the water, it will be work, and clean with toothbrush. Okay, and now you check it's working. If not working, I will open this port and check. To open this port, you need a safety pin like this, and press this side. See, and also this side you need to open the safety pin. See, now have to clean this port also with the spray and the toothbrush. The laptop is power on, so also I can clean this side with the rubber. Okay, also the opposite side I'm using the rubber. And clean and spray, also clean. And no dust inside. Now we have to check this laptop. I hope working. You can see now is working here, and I plug to the battery, and you can see the sound is battery working now, and also the charging side is working. Guys, now I plug and check. And this laptop is charging, you can see here. So I think this laptop port maybe from this inside have little bit problem. So this port is working perfectly. So now I will check this port, down port, and now also is working perfectly. So guys, you can see here, now connect and disconnect. See here in the charging, this side is problem. I hope if I put some glue here it will be work perfectly. Okay, see, still is charging. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon for next video notification. Have a nice day. You can fix your Surface Book, any model laptop. If you have problem no charging, you just clean all the charging port and check first the charging jack here. You clean this all this port, okay, and after that you can see your laptop is working. Before I changed the laptop charger, another one also is not working. Now it's working perfectly. See guys, before I also using the another new charger. This also Microsoft Surbook, another device. You see, before not charging, now this one also charging. So it was problem inside here, also the problem inside this cable. So now fix 100% good. You can see anyone I plug is working. See, this one also working perfectly. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel.